Chicken adobo Spice King style. Cut up some fresh garlic, fresh onion. Grab an organic chicken whole, cut it up into scoop-sized pieces, and put it in a bowl. We don't use dirty meat, though. Wash your meat with lime and vinegar, drain it well, and use some Spice King all-purpose seasonings. Black peppercorn, Spice King seasoning sauce, fish sauce, a splash of soy sauce, a splash of white vinegar, a splash of rice wine vinegar, also a little bit of oyster sauce for umami, and a little bit of browning for coloring, and we're going to mix it well. Next, we're going to add some whole bay leaves, onion, and fresh garlic, not all of it, and a little bit of chicken bouillon. Next, add some peanut oil, add a little bit of lime juice to your chicken, and we're going to begin searing off the chicken. Shake the chicken off first to remove the extra onions and sauce, and just brown it. Next, we're going to add a hot pepper. That's not traditional, but I love it spicy. Add a little bit of turbinado sugar, raw sugar. That's going to add for flavor balance and coloring. It looks like that. You can keep doing this in batches. Next, add the remaining garlic and marinate and cook it down nice and slow until it's tender. You're going to love my Spice King seasonings. Head to the store and grab it.